Between 2011 and 2014, the garden and surrounding areas underwent extensive archaeological investigation to help us understand more about the Abbey site. What you will see now is as a result of what we found out. Times have changed at Polesworth Abbey. It's now 1740. The dissolution of the monasteries means that most of the Abbey buildings are now gone. Eventually all of it will be robbed to use elsewhere. Looking to the left, you can see the Elizabethan manor house, which has been built where the parsonage stands now. To the right, more decay and destruction.